Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide right to left controls Google Docs on computer. So how to hide right to left controls Google Docs on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of Google Docs. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there are several menu icon options. Tap this three-line icon. Now several options will appear. And tap the Settings menu. Now you will enter the Settings menu. Here there are lots of options. On Show Right to Left Controls, tap to hide. When finished, tap OK. Hiding the right to left control in Google Docs is useful for simplifying the toolbar if it is not needed in writing languages that start from right to left. So that's it, tutorial how to hide right to left controls Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.